t-shirt, long pants, loungewear set sent to me to review from Ekouaer, and when I tell you it is so soft and comfortable, I am not even kidding. This is it tucked in. It has a nice tie here, really elastic waist. If you pull the shirt out, it's actually really nice and long onto the bum, past the hips, like really nice and long, but you can tuck it in, of course. The pants are really long. I'm 5'8". They go all the way down to my ankles, all the way up to my true waist. That's really refreshing. They have a really nice, soft but stretchy cuff at the bottom, so they won't like get all pushed up in the middle of sleeping. I love that. I love these kind of vinyl decals they've got going on down here. Same material for this part, Let Me Sleep. They have a few different designs with different sayings, but this one is so fun. And honestly, I might be wearing this on my overnight flight to Paris. Really easy care too, just throw it in the washer dryer. It's a rayon spandex blend, so it's just really soft and stretchy. So comfy. Oh, I love it. Loungewear. You could mix and match with different things to wear it out. You could put this with some white jeans. You could put this with a tank top. I mean, sky's the limit. I just love it, and I know you will too.